Hi, this is John Regis from Your Internet Marketing Expert, and today I'm just going to quickly show you how you can get this nice pop-up opt-in box in front of your web page so that when prospects or visitors come to your web page, it will pop straight up. It makes the background shadowed out so that they just focus on the box, and you can effectively grab their details and get them onto your list. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your autoresponder. Now I use Aweber. They're quite good. They've got some cool gizmos and stuff in there that you can use, and they're quite cheap as well, only $19 a month to start off with, and they do a $1 trial. So if you haven't got an Aweber account, I suggest you sign up for one. But there are some other autoresponders that enable pop-ups as well. I believe GetResponse is quite good as well. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to sign into your Aweber, and you want to, in the top left hand corner here, you want to click on the list that you want to produce your pop-up in. So once you've got that highlighted, you click on web forms, and then it takes you to your web form. Now, as you can see on the left here, I've got two web forms for this list. One I've named sidebar opt-in, and the other I've named pop-up, and this is the one that we're going to produce. So if I click on pop-up, it shows here the name of my form and what type of pop-up box I want to use and how I choose it to come into the screen. It's got the size of the box, the color of the background, how long I want, how many seconds I want to pass before the box displays, and whether I want to display it on every visit or display once per each visitor, how many days, etc. The thank you page, this is important, the thank you page after they submit their details. So this is where, after they submit their details, where it will take the visitors to, and some other options there. So if we go back to the main screen, what you'll want to do is you want to create a new web form, and after you click on that, it will take you directly to this screen here. And just close that a minute. And what we want to do is you want to input your name, the name of it. I just use pop-up so that I know it's a pop-up, and you just want to choose one of these options. I choose the light box hover because it fades out the background screen so they can focus particularly on my opt-in box. Dimensions, again, depending on how much text you're going to have in there, you might want to change the dimensions. The really cool thing about this is once you've set it up and you input the code, you can make, if the box is too small or too big, all you simply have to do is come back to this section and change the dimensions. You don't have to input any more code into your website or your sidebar. So we just want to fill those stuff out here like I have, and then you scroll down and click next, and then you'll see what your box looks like. You might have some plain text here and here, and so it will give you an option to input any text you want in here. So if you just click on it, you can, just like Word, you can edit the text, you can click the size, you can click whether you want it centered or off to the left. I want it centered. You can click the color, you can click the font, the styles, whether it's a heading or not, and then you click changes for that. And again, there's a bottom footer which you can click on and do the same. You can also input a new field. So if I wanted to add a field which said your phone number, you could type the name of that field here, sorry, phone number, that's correct, and then it loads that box, and you can just simply add it and it will be there. But we don't want to capture their phone number, but you might be doing something that does. Again, your submit button, you can just click on it and it gives you the option to edit the text there. That's fine, so I'm going to leave that as that, and you just go ahead and click save. Now that's going to save your opt-in box right there. The next thing you want to do is you want to get HTML, so we want to get the code, and it only produces this in a script code, which makes it a lot easier because we've already edited it and we want to keep it as it is. So you just click in the box, highlight, right click and copy. Right, now we're done with Aweber, but the next thing you want to do is you want to go over to your website. I've got a WordPress website here, and you want to go to the WP admin area, and you want to sign in. The next thing you want to do is in the appearance tab on the left hand side, you want to click that so it appears open, and you want to scroll down till you see the editor option, because we're going to edit a bit of our code, and you just want to click on the edits tab. Now most of the WordPress themes allow you to do this. You can edit parts of the code even if it's a standard theme. Once you're here, you want to scroll down the right hand side, and what I normally do is, to make it easier, I put it in the header because it's within the body tag. So you want to click on header, and you want to put the code in anywhere after the header start, the div id equals header tab. And so we're going to highlight this one here. This is what I've already got, so we'll delete it. So it would look probably something like this. So you just want to left click where you want it to go, it could be anywhere, and right click, and you want to paste that in. So this is our code here that we just pasted in underneath our header tab over here, and then you just want to scroll down to the bottom and click update file. Now we want to go back to our website and check this, so we'll just click on that there, and this is the website. A prospect comes, and after about 6 seconds, there we go, our pop-up box has opened up with our header, our footer. And if you want to make any changes to this, as I said, you can just go straight back to your Aweber, click on your web form, and you can change, let's say I want to change this to 400 height, click next, click save, go back to the website, refresh, wait for it to load, and you'll see that our box is bigger. We can also change the text, change the width and stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for listening.